G'day guys, we're going to get underway pretty abruptly here because I didn't record the start of the session.
That's nice, really nice there. Okay, I got it. Nice. And now
This clip is condensed from a 90-minute portrait session. All the photography was shot on the Canon EOS-R with the lenses noted during the clip.
this way both. Lovely. Big smile. Good, 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 good. Let me check the light. Bit further back, wait there. It's okay, sir.
This video is not about the settings or the technical aspects of the shoot, but more to show how the session develops and how rapport is built with your clients, and also a bit of an insight into my thoughts during the shoot.
Okay, here we go. Looking this way. Background is not good. Background is not good. Waiting on the background. Waiting on the background. Here we go. Still waiting. Okay, get ready guys. The background is clear. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, the light looks lovely there.
Oh, nice.
But
beautiful.
the light looks so lovely.
Whoa.
Yes.
So yeah. Well, that was tricky with lots of people there. Oh, hang on a second. What have we got here? You know, I quite like the spot here because you have such a lovely background, and also there's nobody here. So it could be a good spot just to stand. Okay.
These sessions are actually quite hard work and fairly tiring. And as I noticed throughout this particular shoot, my energy did start to wane towards the end. There's just often so much to think about. But the key is to stay relaxed, mindful of the scenes, and accommodating to other people in the area. And one thing I'm always mindful of is I'm there to provide a service for the client. So you need to stay focused, no pun intended, and also on the job.
Just waiting on the background. Okay. Look at each other. Nice. Very good. And hands just over the edge. Just over the edge. That's, yeah, relax. Relax. That's it. Nice. Thank you.
Oh, that's amazing.
Wow.
It's like we're in Queenstown.
Yeah. Just worried about that blossom in front of your face. Can you tuck it behind your head? Maybe it'll just stay back there. Yeah, that's good.
One vital tip I will say is to be aware of unwanted elements in your scene, and the more you can control before the shot means the less you'll have to edit and retouching.
Give you some more light. Nice. But try and get more body now. I can't see your feet, so it's actually okay. We don't want to do that. I'm going to come in. Otherwise it looks strange. You look like you have no feet. Okay, good smile. Looking to each other. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you. And this way. Great. Very good. Oh, it's very bright. It's okay. Just to move my focus. Okay. And relax, looking this way. Yeah, maybe we should aim for that spot there. That's quite a nice spot, isn't it?
Some of the challenges with this shoot particularly were the number of other people present within the gardens, which means quite a bit of waiting for the backgrounds to clear.
It's okay.
So you've got a clean shot. And in this shoot, the other people around the place really restricted the opportunities to shoot in a landscape orientation. But the reality is you do have to make the best of the situation you are faced with.
Really nice there. We've got a good spot there. Get my focus right. Nice.
Well, that's enough talking from me for now, but I will drop back in at the end of the shoot. In the meantime, enjoy.
Full body now, wait there. One step forward, both. I'll just check the light.
There's a duck. Okay.
Yeah. Get a picture of the duck for you. Going full body here. Yep. Yep, stop there. Back, forward. Forward. Close. Looking this way. Awesome. Wait there. You're okay. Thank you. Yes, for sure. Just going to bring the waterfall into focus a little bit. I'm going to come right in over your shoulders this time. So again. Nice. Let me get my focus. Lovely. Nice. And then one facing towards me. Sorry. Close up now, wait there. Lovely, really nice. The light on your face is really nice, Gail. And John. I'll try this way now. Okay. More hands, here we go. Yeah, I've got it. And you see how I asked you to move your fingers, you move them from that to that.
Yeah,
it looks much
that's
better. Yeah, more elegant and natural as well. It looks like, oh my gosh, your fingers. Someone must have like got it jammed in a thing or. Yeah. Okay.
50 minutes.
Yep.
You still need to walk outside.
Yeah, that's okay.
10 minutes.
That's okay.
Oh, where are we going?
More to the middle. Little brighter. Nice, that's good. That's good, John. Okay, I just got to move my focus here. Nice, casual. Just want to come in a little closer on this one. Not too much of the wood. Here we go. They were the close ones I just did.
Oh, that looks good.
And the blossom is like right on your head.
Wow.
And then, yeah.
I think no more.
Okay.
I'm not
Oh, there's a
What
white
about with
cherry
the white
blossom.
blossoms?
Yeah.
White blossoms. And then we can, yeah, then we can wrap that up then. Sitting? Is it dry? Okay. I'm gonna start wide and then come in close, okay? Oh man, that is so good. Just waiting on the background. I'm still just waiting on the background. I'm gonna come in close because of the background. That's really nice there. I want to come in close, make sure I get a nice close. Lead off this way, this way, this way, this way. Just a shame on the background there. Here, this way is good. Can you squeeze in close? That's it. Okay.
Can we have like when we dance and then we twirl?
Yes.
Okay, what?
I'll get the focus and then you can do the twirl, okay? Just waiting on the background though. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. When you're ready.
Yeah.
It's nice when your dress things out too. And I'll just process them all the same so you can have them all. You could like have 1, 2, 3 or something in a line.
Yeah.
Or,
Oh yeah, like in a picture frame.
yeah.
That
Yeah,
was good.
something like that. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
sorry.
already time.
It's okay, it's okay.
I realise that in this video I have not gone into so much detail about the technical aspects of the shoot, but if you do have any questions, please feel free to drop me some questions in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and have a good one.